Pacific Beach. And this is what it looks like. Look at that. The San Diego Pacific Beach. Look at this house. Is this a house? Seriously? Cool. We are just cruising. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. We're just cruising at the Pacific Beach because we're bored and we wanted to come to the beach. And there's something. Oh, look at these bubbles. Oh. Huge bubbles. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. You guys see that? Look at that. Bubbles. So cool. So this is the beach right here. Oye, las olas están machine. I'm not kidding. Look at the Christmas tree. Cool. Are you gonna walk up here? Look at this. That's the beach over there. We're gonna get off and walk. Oh, it smells. We're going to that bridge over here to show you. It's kind of a bit scary, but it's pretty awesome at the same time. Okay. We're just finding a parking place. Yeah, it's a parking. So we'll see you guys when I get off. Okay, guys, we are off. And there's people surfing, and we're climbing this big mountain bridge. This is cool. There's people in the water. Look at all this. This is the beach. This guy here. This guy is here doing yoga. This is what it looks like. Over here as well. Here. The entrance of the bridge. Isn't this beautiful? Look at that beach. There's a lot of people in the water. They're getting wet. I guess it's not that cold for them. Our day at the beach because it's beautiful. It's not that cold like it used to. But look at this. So this is what we came to do today. I haven't vlogged for you guys, so today I decided to vlog at the beach. It's beautiful. There's people surfing, so hope you guys like this beautiful view. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The beach. There's people surfing right here. Let's see if I can zoom it in. There's surfing time. And I'm with my mom. Say hi. With her crochet shirt that she made, or cardigan or whatever. She's mom. Okay, this is the part here where they clean the fish and they wash it and they prepare to take it home. This is where a lot of people fish their fishies to eat. And over here we're getting to a cafe where you can drink coffee and just have like food. There's a cafe right here. There's some fishing. Fisher's Landing.
Sun's glaring in our eyes. I can't see
This is the Fisher Landing snacks and a plane. Yeah, so this is the whole bridge. This is the end of the bridge, and there's another one over there. But it is very, very peaceful to come here and read or just sit and watch the waves. Look at this pigeon or whatever, just chilling there. It's just time for fishings and walking around. It's nice and peaceful to come and chill. Yeah, it's just the waves are kind of chill. Sometimes the waves are really, really rough, but not today. Okay, this is the other part of the Pacific Beach, this little town. Look at this little town, old beach stuff. Barbecues, a lot of restaurants, a lot of seafood restaurants. If you like seafood restaurants, it's this time of Christmas. It's December. Little beats, Mexican food. Pretty cool place to come and walk. Fun place. Beach stuff. Look at all design Christmas stuff. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Oh wow. Oh, that house is nice.
I don't know, is there houses or
Their houses is gotta be a house. Look at that house.
or inns or hotels?
I don't know, but they're nice.
Rentals. Oh.
There's a place in La Jolla. It's called La Jolla. It's called. It's a beautiful. There's those houses look like celebrity houses.
Yeah.
They're so nice, and it's a beautiful place. We should take you there sometime.
We are planning to go to Los Angeles. We might.
Yes.
If you guys want, we'll take you to Beverly Hills.
Because I've been wanting to do that vlog for like Los Angeles and Beverly Hills and stuff. Just a little vlog, because I haven't vlogged for a while. So look at all this Christmas stuff.
Looks beautiful at night.
Look at this.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my, look at this Christmas stuff. We are going to a Christmas like a Christmas house show where they put a lot of Christmas stuff.
This is in Poway.
And this is in Poway, California, but it's beautiful. We went there last year and it's beautiful, and I want to go this year so I can show you guys. And
since we live here, we've been going every year.
Yes. So I want to take you guys, but it has to be like on a Saturday because on the weekend it's just too much people. But the weekend it's not too much. But I want to take you guys there. And if you guys saw my last video of Jack Skellington, there's a house with all lights of Jack Skellington that I've been loving since I watched it.
La Hello Kitty, oh.
SpongeBob. Oh, Hello Kitty and SpongeBob over there. Oh, how pretty. Oh, Christmas is so nice. I'm so excited for. Oh, look at this view. Look at this beautiful view. Oh my goodness, I got it. Oh my. But if you guys want me to, just put in the comments below, and I'll do a Spanish video for my non-speaking English viewers. Look at this view. Oh look, there's. I know there's Santa Claus up here. Is that Santa Claus? Oh yeah. Is cute.
For the kids.
Yeah, for the kids. Yeah. So beautiful houses. The beach is right over there.
It's hard to use Jafra face.
Yes, I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna teach you guys Jafra if you guys know it. If you guys don't know it, I'm gonna introduce it to you guys because it's one of the most. Well, for me it works because you know when I was a teenager I had a lot of pimples and stuff, and I tried everything, nothing worked. But Jafra worked perfectly for me.
Let me talk to them. I used Mary Kay for 25 years, and look, I got all kinds of pimples. I don't know if you can see it. My face got damaged very bad. Now I'm wearing foundation, but when I take my foundation off, I have so many dark spots, and that's because Mary Kay. So when I came to my pre-menopause, I moved to another creams.
So I will see you guys if a little bit. Hi guys. So I just want to say thanks for watching. I know I haven't vlogged for a long time, and right now I'm going home, and I look kind of yellow because the yellow is light, and I'm here at the store, but I didn't want to get off. But I just want to say thanks for watching, and if you guys want me to go to like Los Angeles and go to Beverly Hills, or go to I'm gonna put you guys there, like I can't. If you guys want me to go like to like Los Angeles and Beverly Hills, or any other like cities, Old Town, La Jolla or something, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll be glad to do it. I like to show you guys around California. If you're not from California, from other state, city, whatever, I will be happy to show you to guys, because some people love to see that. So if you guys want to, I will do it. It's just one by one that I have to do it. Today was very fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog that I did about the beach. And that's all I have today. So I just want to end the vlog here. I hope you guys can see me. If you guys can see me, then I'll turn on the light. I hope you guys like this vlog, and don't forget to subscribe and to like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Comment below if you guys want me. Big thumbs up in this video too, and I will see you guys next time for more. Bye guys.